Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you differentiation. Here, differentiation of product of functions. Product of functions. Differentiation of product of functions. Okay, if two functions or three functions are given in the product form, then how will you differentiate? Simple differentiation you have seen in my previous lecture. Okay, so here if a function is given, or if y is equal to, suppose x into log x. Okay, here two functions, x is a function, polynomial function, here a single term. Okay, and log x is a logarithmic function. There are two functions and both of them are in product form. Then how will you solve it? How will you differentiate such type of functions? So we have a formula that if there is a function fx, or you can say fx is equal to, in the form of u and v, and they are in product form, means u is a function of x, v is another function of x, and they are in product form, then what will be differentiation? Means d by dx of fx will be given by differentiation of first function. Here first and second you can consider, you can take any one of them as first and other as second. So suppose first function, differentiation of this one, d by dx of vx, now plus. Okay, now since you have already differentiated this vx, so at this time now this vx without differentiation, and d by dx of, since ux have, you can take here ux. Okay, or in terms of, or suppose you are taking this as first function into second function. Suppose there are two functions in product form, then its differentiation d by dx of fx equal to first function into differentiation of second plus second function into differentiation of first. No problem. You can learn this formula as like this also. Okay. So if you have a question like this, that y is equal to x into log x, then how will you differentiate? Applying this formula, just see how can you apply. dy by dx is equal to, here x into log x. You can take this as first or this as first. It's your choice. So first function into differentiation of second. Differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. You can learn differentiation of log x. Some formula are there here. d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. These are our formula. You need to learn. Okay. So differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Here first function into differentiation of second plus, now plus second function log x into differentiation of first. This first function is what? X. So its differentiation is 1. So therefore your answer is x in x cancel out, 1 plus log x. This is your answer. Okay. Now differentiation of a function. Differentiation of quotient of functions. Here, not product. Quotient. Differentiation of quotient of functions means if a function is given quotient form of functions. If fx is in the fraction form, suppose here gx is a function and here phi x is another function. So here a function is in the form of quotient form, that is a function is in numerator and another function is in denominator. So you can consider as numerator upon denominator form. Okay. Then what is formula? There is a formula to solve such type of questions, and the formula is that, or you can take it as u by v form. Okay. So here d by dx of such type of function is equal to denominator into differentiation of whatever in numerator, differentiation of numerator minus, in product form there was plus, here minus numerator without differentiation into differentiation of denominator divided by whatever is in denominator without differentiating that one, here denominator whole square. So this is your formula you can use to solve differentiation of a function in quotient form. It will be more clear from examples. Okay, I am taking some examples. For example, if there is a function y is equal to 2x minus 3 divided by 3x plus 4. Okay, just see. If y is a function just like 2x minus 3 upon 3x plus 4 in fraction form or in quotient form. So this 2x minus 3 is your numerator and 3x plus 4 is your denominator. So applying this formula, numerator upon denominator form. Now dy by dx will be equal to, see the formula, denominator means whatever in denominator you need to write that one, 3x plus 4. Okay. Differentiation of numerator. What will be differentiation of 2x minus 3? See, differentiation of 2x minus 3, here 2 is in product with this variable where 2 is a constant. So 2 you can take it out. 2 into differentiation of x is 1. 1 into 1 minus differentiation of this 3. This 3 is a constant term which is totally separate. That's why its differentiation will be equal to 0. Right? Minus. Now numerator as it is 2x minus 3 and differentiation of denominator, this is your 3 into 1 and differentiation of this 4 will be equal to 0 divided by denominator whole square, 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4 whole square. Okay, whole square. Now solving this, here 2 into 1 is 2 minus 0, that is 2, multiplying with 3x plus 4. So what will you get? 2 3 is 6x plus 8 minus within bracket, here multiplying with 3, 3 2 is 6x minus 9 divided by 3x plus 4 whole square. Okay, now is equal to 6x minus 6x 0. Okay, and 8 minus plus 8 9 17 upon 3x plus 4 whole square. Okay, so this will be your answer. Solving some more questions. Suppose y is equal to ax plus b into cx plus d form, where a, b, c, d are constant, where a, b, c, d are constant. How will you solve it? Just think. There are some different ways. You can multiply or you can apply the product form formula. So what is product form? This is your suppose first and this is your second. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to first function ax plus b into differentiation of second function. So what will be differentiation? See, here along with x there is a constant in product, so you can take it out. This d is a constant which is totally separate term, so its differentiation will be equal to 0. Thus differentiation of cx plus d is c plus. Now second function as it is without differentiation, and differentiation of first, here same way there will be 1 a. So first function into differentiation of second plus second function into differentiation of first. Now this will be equal to, you can multiply or you can write like this. So c into a, acx plus bc plus acx plus ad. So here acx 2acx plus bc plus ad. This is your answer. Similarly, some more questions. Suppose y is equal to x square minus 3 upon x plus 4. How will you solve it? Simple. Dy by dx is equal to numerator upon denominator form. So denominator x plus 4, differentiation of numerator, that is differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of this 3 is 0, so 2x minus numerator into differentiation of denominator, that is 1 divided by denominator whole square. So multiplying 2x into x, 2x square, 2x plus 4, 8x minus x square plus 3 divided by x plus 4 whole square. So your answer is 2x square minus x square, that is x square plus 8x plus 3 divided by x plus 4 whole square. This is your answer. In this way you can solve all other questions from your book, that is exercise 19C. All the questions you can solve. For any problem, write in comment box and join doubt classes. I will resolve your problems. Thank you so much.